Imagine this. You've just completed a massive project and you're feeling proud. Suddenly, a notification pops up. It's a negative review. The impact of negative feedback can be devastating, affecting your reputation and business success. But fear not. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Today, we'll explore crucial strategies to transform criticism into an opportunity for growth. Let's kick things off with some practical strategies. Number 1. Respond promptly and professionally. Quick replies, ideally within 24 to 48 hours, convey that you value customer feedback. This immediate attention shows potential customers that you are dedicated to resolving issues. Number 2. Address the specific issue. Pinpoint the main concerns and respond directly. Avoid generic replies to show genuine interest in resolving issues. Tailoring your response demonstrates that you have thoroughly considered their feedback. Number 3. Show empathy and understanding. Acknowledge the customer's feelings and reinforce your dedication to their satisfaction. Expressing empathy can help de-escalate tensions and build a connection with the reviewer. Number 4. Take the conversation offline. Invite customers to discuss their concerns privately to resolve complex issues more effectively. This approach allows for more detailed communication without airing all details publicly. Number 5. Offer a solution or compensation. Whether it's a discount or a refund, take tangible steps to make things right. Providing a resolution underscores your commitment to customer satisfaction and trust. Number 6. Showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. Use review management tools to highlight your responsiveness and enhance credibility. Transparency in handling reviews can attract new customers by showcasing accountability. Number 7. Create a review response policy. Establish guidelines for tone and response times to ensure consistency across your organization. A clear policy ensures that all team members handle feedback in a unified manner. Here's something intriguing to consider. How can these strategies not only resolve individual complaints, but also uncover broader areas for improvement within your business? Addressing feedback thoughtfully will not only mend what's broken, but also strengthen customer loyalty and trust. For more insights and tools to manage contractor reviews, visit BigHomeProjects.com. Our platform facilitates open communication, allowing both contractors and homeowners to benefit from shared experiences and feedback. Your reputation matters. Let us help you build it strong.